In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on Kucoin. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just stepping into the world of futures trading, this guide will take you through each step to ensure you're on the right track. Let's dive right in. First, we begin our journey by heading to the Kucoin website. To start trading futures on Kucoin, you'll want to access their platform through your browser. Simply type in the URL or search for Kucoin to reach the homepage effortlessly. Once you've arrived at the site, we can move to the next step. Now, once you're on the Kucoin website, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have to sign up first. But let's assume you're already registered. You'll see the login button prominently displayed. Click on it and enter your credentials to gain access to your account. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. Once logged in, you're just a few clicks away from entering the futures trading arena. After successfully logging in, return to the Kucoin homepage. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as you'll be using this interface to navigate through the different sections of the platform. Keeping track of where everything is will come in handy as you proceed with your trading activities. The next thing you want to do is to locate and click on the Derivatives tab. This is where the magic truly begins, as this section will lead you to all the futures trading opportunities available on Kucoin. You'll find this tab easily accessible on the main navigation bar. Take a moment to explore the various options available to expand your knowledge of what Kucoin has to offer in the derivatives market. Once you click on Derivatives, you'll want to proceed to the Futures Overview section. This will provide you with a comprehensive insight into all the futures trading tools and products available on Kucoin. It's a good idea to give this page a thorough look, as it holds valuable information that might influence your trading decisions. Finally, click on Crypto Futures Trading. This step will lead you to the actual trading platform where you can start making trades. Here you have a wide selection of futures contracts to choose from, and you can analyze live data to make informed decisions. Remember, it's crucial to review all information carefully and never invest more than you are willing to lose. And there you have it. You are now set up and ready to start trading futures on Kucoin. Remember to always trade responsibly and keep up with market trends to make the most of your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.